Whole home Wi-Fi system. The Amazon eero Pro Mesh Wi-Fi system, 3 eero Pros, replaces the traditional Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi extender, and internet booster by covering a 5+ bedroom home with fast and reliable internet powered by a mesh network. eero second generation. With the most intelligent mesh Wi-Fi technology and powerful hardware, the eero second generation Wi-Fi system is 2x as fast as the original eero Wi-Fi. Backwards compatible with first-generation eero products. Cutting-edge home Wi-Fi. Unlike the common internet routers and wireless access points, eero automatically updates once a month, always keeping your home Wi-Fi system on the cutting edge. Mesh network. Powered by proprietary TrueMesh technology, the eero Mesh Wi-Fi network leverages multiple wireless access points to create an incredibly dependable internet experience, all on a single mesh Wi-Fi system. Quick easy setup. Replacing your old Wi-Fi router has never been easier than with the eero Pro Mesh Wi-Fi system. Setup takes minutes and the companion mobile app makes managing your home Wi-Fi simple and intuitive. Top reviews from the United States. Actually as good as they say. Okay, I will admit that I bought these with the full intention of probably having to send them back. Through the years I have tried several different systems to put good wireless throughout our 3-story home. I've used several different routers, and have had an Apple Airport Extreme and 2 Airport Express running, which still provide the backbone in the house for our less needy machine system. But nothing I did could get a good signal into the master bedroom in the back of the house, especially with the main router being in the home office upstairs on the other side of the house. My better half constantly let me know I was a poor excuse of a network engineer when she wasn't even able to watch the latest Korean drama in peace while laying in bed. Unpacking, simple and clean. Download and install the app on your smartphone before you start doing anything, as it walks you through the install, and does an incredibly simple and great job of it. Install and setup of the main hub took me all of about 5 minutes, with most of that time spent finding an extension cord. As I was replacing an existing wireless setup once I had the system up and running, all my iPads and such connected automatically as I had used the same SSID and password. Setting up the beacons took about 30 minutes, with most the time taken in selecting location so I would have a good mesh of the signal. Again, the app walks you through every step, and lets you know if you have selected a good spot or if you might want to move a beacon to a different location for a better mesh. The app is a thing of beauty, with all the information you need right at your fingertips. The stuff you usually want to customize, like the names of the beacons, are customizable. Once I had all the beacons set up, I went through the house trying to find a weak spot or dead spot. Couldn't find one, not one. Guess I won't be sending this stuff back after all. Sure, put a smile on my better half's face. Oh, and is this thing fast?